Railways has experienced the safest year in its history. All unmanned level crossings, आप सब गौर करिए, all unmanned level crossings on broad gauge network have been completely eliminated. आज पूरे देश में एक भी unmanned level crossing broad gauge network पे बचा नहीं है. Introduction of the first indigenously developed and manufactured semi-high-speed Vande Bharat Express will give the Indian passengers world-class experience with speed, service and safety. This major leap in wholly developed technology by our engineers will give an impetus to the Make in India program and create jobs. Capital support from the budget for railways is proposed at rupees 64,587 crore in 1920 budget estimate. In fact, the railways overall capital expenditure program is a historic 1,58,658 crore. The operating ratio is also expected to improve from 98.4% in 17-18 to 96.2% in 18-19 revised estimate and further to 95% in the budget estimate of 2019-20. India provided leadership to the global effort to address the problem of climate change. Our commitment to promote renewable energy is reflected in setting up the International Solar Alliance, the first treaty-based international intergovernmental organization headquartered in India. India's installed solar generation capacity has grown 10 times in the last 5 years. 10 गुना वृद्धि हुई है सौर्य ऊर्जा में देश में पिछले 5 वर्षों में. This sector is now creating lakhs of new age jobs. India's import dependence on crude oil and natural gas has been a source of big concern to our government. While we have taken a large number of measures to moderate the increasing demand through usage of biofuel and alternate technologies, urgent action is needed to increase hydrocarbon production to reduce imports. A high-level interministerial committee constituted by us has made several specific recommendations, including transforming the system of bidding for exploration, changing from revenue sharing to exploration program for category 2 and 3 basins. The